So yes, guys, I am here trying to prepare for this storm. Let me tell you, I am. How would I put this? I am a little scared. To be honest, I am afraid. But I called over my workman to come and help me to prepare for this storm. Let me tell you, he's an amazing guy, Milton. Yes, I've known him for quite a while. All the cameras in my house, trust me, he installed them, TV mounted, you name it. Whatever it is I need to get done, I just call Milton, and trust me when I tell you it is done. So help me prepare for this storm. So Milton, are we ready?
Yeah.
All right, so I have the windows to close. I have some pebbles though. The gravel down there, Milton. I want to take it up because see it there? Them gravels right there. I want to take it up because I don't want the wind to start hitting it on the car. In addition to that, I need to get some mangoes off the tree because let me tell you, with the winds that come in and everything, by the time Hurricane Beryl pass, I'm not gonna have no mangoes. And to be honest, so you see Milton showing me that we still have East Indian mango there. Yeah, but the tree I want to target really is the Julie tree right here. So we're gonna go down there, we're gonna get some mangoes as well. So when everything is blowing, yeah, I can say that I have some mangoes inside to munch on. Yes, munch on. Whenever there's a hurricane, yeah, you need to have tons of stuff to munch on. And Christian, you coming? Christian, are you coming with me? So right now we are going downstairs. Yes, it's a little dark. He's gonna turn on the light. So yes, we are downstairs, of course. Milton, you're gonna pick that one. Oh. Here we go, the first one. You don't want me to try and get it for you and you catch it? I can't catch that, you know. Tell you. There's another one up there in a Milton, but let me pick it. Let me pick these for you, Milton. And you can take these. No, not that one. There's a ripe one to the side. It's around, see it around here? But I'm saying you don't want me to catch it for you. You don't want me to pick it for you. And then there's a few of them up there. Quite a few up there. It's you're taking them, right? Right. No, Milton, look up further. Milton, you need glasses, you know. I wear glasses, but you look like you need to borrow my glasses. See the mango right there, sir? Yes, and I see the ripe one right there, sir, too. Push the stick up. No, up. You don't see that pretty mango? Yes, they have that one. And you have like two more inside there. So yes. Trying to get these beauties off the tree. Milton, I can pick them for you and you catch them instead of you have them buttering. All right, no worries. You'll eat them like that. Come and get me my East Indian. These are the Julies. So yes, guys, I'm at the back of the yard. Christian don't get to come out much. So I'm sure he's happy that he's outside. Of course. Oh, Christian, no. All right, let me move the mango. Oh, Christian, be careful. So yes, Milton in the tree. Oh, in the tree, y'all. Be careful. You have 1 and 2 branches that are not so strong. Look like you're going to need a stick this time, Milton. You can reach some with your hands, right? So whenever the mangoes are ready, Milton, I'm nervous. Come this way, Christian. No, Christian. You cannot go there. That is sending mommy to the workhouse, as they call it. If they're fit, you can get them as well, you know. Where's the bag? You have the bag?
Yeah.
Hold on. Let me get a Christian over here. And the reaping is going on. Yes, we are reaping before Beryl. Yeah? Yeah, man. Because you know when Beryl coming on, and this tree is going to be full of mangoes. Look here. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. Woo! Sweet. And of course, I am not the only one here reaping. My son is also here, having the time of his life. Yes. Christian, that is called a vine, honey. Oh, look, 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 look. Whoa. Hold on. Let me see if I can do the one hand catch. In my hand. Slow. Whoopsie. Ah! I caught it-ish. I caught this one. So yes, guys, I got me a 1 out of 3. At least I break the fall. Oh, this one was ripe. It was a ripe one and it just bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. But yes, guys, I'm trying my best to reap before Beryl come and reap. Be careful. Okay. Well, loving the reaping, not the coming. Oh, whoa, let me see. Woo! Bullseye. Oh, please. You can't take it away, Milton. I caught it. So this is the first part of our hurricane preparation. We're getting the mangoes off the tree. You know, as they say, you reap or Beryl will come and reap. So I am reaping. And my son, of course, is throwing them overboard to do. So, yes, this is part 1 of the home preparation for Beryl, y'all. And you will get more. This is your real estate agent, Lizzie, here in Jamaica. Love you. So, yes, continuing the preparation for hurricane, what, Beryl? Yeah. I still can't believe that we're getting a hurricane, Milton. It's mind-blowing, like, oh my God. It's been so long since Jamaica have a hurricane. Yeah. And now we're getting one. Oh, wow. Oh, Lord. Milton, I think it would be better to just put the bag and use your foot and kick it in. Or just pull it in like this. Yes. So yes, hurricane preparation is going on. And of course, this little young man here is helping. Right, Christian? Right, Christian? Yeah. You're helping. Good boy. Okay, so now we're fighting for the shovel. Well, don't laugh, y'all. This is what I have for the shovel. I know Milton must be like, Milton, you sure it don't make sense to get a cardboard and just a piece of cardboard and put them just push it on and just pull the bag closer to you because I don't want this spilling a day. Not laughing. Not laughing. That's supposed to be the thing for the car shovel. Milton, pull the bag closer to you. Because the thing falling, you don't have to travel so far. Yes, yes, yes. Of course, Christian is helping, you see? My little helper. All right, Christian, take your time. I know you're helping, Uncle. I know. So you know everybody's uncle, you know, and auntie. Watch. Of course. Yes. Yes, you're a hard-working young man, right? So, it's been a long time since I prepared myself for a hurricane, as I've been saying. And I'm telling you, it's scary, as I've said before, and there's a little excitement there as well. Funny enough, it's like, you know, you're feeling that little, honest to God, I don't know what to say, but it is scary and it's a little exciting at the same time. That's a weird combo, isn't it? I know. And we're off to bag 2. And bag 2 is not working out so well at all. Oh, I can't move that, Milton. This thing is heavier than me. Oh. My little helper. I guess he needs to get pay as well. Oof. I know, right? And this is all we have. A cute little pink shovel. So yes, my little helper is coming to let me know that I need to come over here and work. But he's in Hunkamil. Alright, alrighty. Yes. See, yes. So whoa. Milton. Christian, pull me over here. Give me the shovel. Yes. And for me to put it in the bag. Here we go. Wow. Hush Milton, next time I'm gonna invest in it. You know, I have shovel, they're just not here. Which means that it don't count. I'm sorry. You hear Milton? Huh? When you're finished, just lay down and have Christian walk up and down in your back. It will feel as if you know you've gone to Adam and Eve. You know? Just have Christian walk up and down in your back. So, yeah. So I was told that I need another bag for the gravel. And I am improvising. Okay. So now I'm at Progressive. Progressive Grocery. Yeah. So, see, this is what happened when Beryl decided that, you know, I need to come and visit Jamaica. Yeah. Now, Lizzie have to improvise. Yeah. You know, I always tell people as real estate agents, we do have normal lives. We have to do everything just like everybody else. Like preparing for the storm. Yes, preparing for the storm. Again, as I've said, I am worried. I am really worried. Oh. With that said, there's a little excitement there as well. And I really and truly do not know where it's coming from. But there's a little excitement there. And I am worried for, you know, the uncertainty of what is coming, you know, because nobody knows what is gonna happen after the storm pass, you know. I'm hearing, you know, chattering here and there saying that it's going to be like Ivan, and Ivan was before my time, and I was told that Ivan destroyed Jamaica back then. Gilbert. So, it's Gilbert, yes, Gilbert, yes.
Ivan was in your time when we were little.
Yes. Thank you, Milton. Gilbert, yes.
88.
Yes, Gilbert is the one I'm talking about, so yeah. So, I am telling you, yes, it's Hurricane Gilbert, guys, not Ivan. I was born. Yes, I lived through Ivan. So it's Gilbert. My apologies. But yes, and I have never I've never been by myself. Yeah. Milton want more shopping bags to do the good stuff that he's doing here. Yes, I have more shopping bags. You plan on buying one?
Progressive Orleans.
Progressive
Or
Orleans?
Troposphere or Hilo.
I don't know. I really don't know which one.
Or the Coronation.
Milton, we're not going there. And here we go. This is the end product. So yes, we've been hard at work. Yes, 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 yes. We successfully bagged up the gravel and the sands. So we're gonna go inside now. We're gonna close the windows. Oh, you know what I feel for right now? You see, real Jamaicans, they're gonna know what I'm talking about. I feel for some nice curry chicken back with a lot of scotch bonnet pepper. Yeah, some boiled dumpling and some nice soft banana and 2 pieces of yellow yam. And a glass of long glass of lemonade to bring that down. And then just sit down. You have a screen with the weather report going on. And then you have one with some nice comedy, you know what I talk about? Yeah, man. The comedy that will make you be like, oh my God, my tummy is hurting from all this laughter. Yes. So again, as I said, I have mixed emotions. A part of me is excited about the hurricane. And another part is really, how would I put it, scared. I am worried. You know, as a real estate agent, you know, when a hurricane comes, it's not in our favor, you know? And this can disrupt work for us, for me. And so I am worried where that is concerned. And also in general, just worried about, you know, the impact overall that is going to have on us. So yeah, I am a bit worried. And of course, again, I am your girl Lizzie here in Jamaica, your realtor. Yeah, we have to prepare as well. So we're going to go inside now. We're going to close the windows. Yes, let's go. Yes, we are preparing. And Christian here. Yes, my little hard-working young man. Let me show him to you. Yes, hard worker. Yeah, so, and, oh, guys, y'all need to see. This is from the reaping of the mango tree. It's an entire bag of mangoes. In there you have from ripe to turn to full. Yeah, a good mix. So I'm going to enjoy some mangoes tonight as well. So getting me ready. Yay! So we're going to go inside now, guys, and close up the windows, all right?